Your 2020-2022 Hyundai Palisade key fob uses a CR2032 battery, which usually lasts 1 to 3 years. Common signs your battery is dying include reduced range when locking or unlocking, or the car requiring you to manually insert the key. Replacing it yourself is easy and saves money. The needed tools are a CR2032 3-volt battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the fob without scratching it. Avoid metal tools to prevent short circuits. Use correct polarity to avoid damage with the positive side up. First, locate the small notch or seam on the back of your Palisade's key fob. Carefully pry it open using a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. There may be a metal key blade attached, so don't lose it. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting its orientation with the positive side facing up. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together securely. Finally, test the fob to ensure it unlocks and locks the doors properly. Some models might need to be reprogrammed by cycling the ignition and pressing the panic or lock button.